Here's a review and unboxing of EA's DVR mounted in the mirror. Package is nicely wrapped in a bubble wrap, as you can see here. Box is nice and no Chinese marks here. The mirror itself looks like this. It's made out of plastic, decent quality. It's a mirror until you're gonna plug in the power to turn on the LCD screen. Cameras on the side. All the sockets are on the top of the ports. You can see the USB port, the port for the rear camera, the card. There's a sticker also, and you can adjust the camera as well. So it's in the box. Here's the reader for the memory card. I chose the cheapest available card, which is 16GB. That's the kit for the rear view camera and the power adapter for the stabilizer. We also have two rubber bands to install the mirror. Let's look at this harness. This is the camera. They claim it's 720p. This is the 10-meter harness. These are the bolts for the camera. That's the manual. It's in Chinese, so we're not gonna use it. I'm also not gonna show you the OSD menu because it's just nothing there. Let's take a quick look at the power adapter. Looks decent. The cable is not like garbage. The camera also looks decent. There is a plug, so you can plug the camera from the harness, and you just splice in the power for the rear. Okay, let's see. This is the first start. You cannot change the screen. It always starts like this. Always starts recording, and you have to flip manually through the screens to get to the rear camera. And that's the rear view. It's actually not a 720p camera as they claim. It's a 480p camera, which is a big issue for me because I purchased it for the van and I wanted to use the rear view mirror. Let's put it in reverse now to see what it looks like. As you can see here, I cannot even see the plates of the car following me. The image quality is really poor, and as you can see here, it's broad daylight. There's no sun, it's very bright, there are no other sources of light, and that's the best you can get from this camera. From the back, and also the image is mirrored, as you can see here. But if you get re-rendered, you're gonna see what re-rendered you, and also you got the recording, right? So yeah, so it's not all that bad, but I expected more. The manufacturer claimed 720p rear camera, and it's actually 480p. Here is the most important feature: recording at night. As you can see, lots of lights, lots of blurs, and again I cannot see the plate of the car in front. No way. But the quality is decent. I can see if someone is gonna be jumping in front of the car, so it's not that bad. It actually serves its purpose at night. It's 1080p image. Again, that's the cheapest option you can get. And here's the rear view at night. As you can see, this is the same exact route we took before. There's a car following us, and we can even see if it has the plate on the car. It's as bad as it gets. Well, you can always buy the more expensive model, which is like 2 or 3 times more expensive than this one. But again, if you get rendered, at least you get some recording. And here we have complete darkness, and we are entering a lighted area here, so that's very difficult. for any of the DVRs on the market. This camera copes with it really good. As you can see, it sharpens the image instantly. You can immediately see the clear picture when we are on the good lighted area. And we are following this truck for a while, and then we're gonna exit this lighted area into a dark area again, so you can see for yourself how the image adjusts in these very difficult conditions for the camera. And bam, we cannot see anything. And here we have another difficult conditions for the DVR, which is sunrise. And this is actually where the camera performs really good. I was really amazed with the quality of the image. As for the 1080p camera, it's really good. You're gonna see fog here, you're gonna see sunlight, sun rays, reflections from the water, and you can judge for yourself if the quality is good for you. It's good enough for me. It's really better than I expected from this front camera. So yeah, the only issue for me is the rear camera. If you choose to buy this kit and you are also as disappointed as I was, you can always get a refund from AliExpress, where I purchased the product, and they're gonna refund you half the money. So for 20 euro, it's pretty good buy if you ask me, but not for 40 euro. It's not worth 40 or 50 or whatever they want. It's a 20 to 30 euro kit tops. Okay, so enjoy these nice views for the last 6 minutes of this video, and let me know if you like my review. What do you expect from me? Maybe I need to show more features, but as from my point of view, the most important thing is to see how this kit performs in actual life, and this is the actual image you're gonna get from this camera. Maybe YouTube downplayed the quality a little bit, but in general there are no pixels. The image is clear, it records front and back, which is the most important thing for me. Alright, enjoy nice views and take care.